आप देख रहे हैं न्यूज नाउ 24/7। ताज़ा खबरों के लिए हमारे साथ बने रहें।
चित्रपुर में आरएसएस के रूट मार्च को अनुमति नहीं मिलने के बाद मामला कर्नाटक उच्च न्यायालय में पहुंचा, जहां अगली सुनवाई 24 अक्टूबर को निर्धारित की गई है। याचिकाकर्ता के वकील कदलूर सत्यनारायणाचार्य ने कहा कि संगठन ने रूट मार्च के लिए सभी औपचारिकताएं पूरी की थीं, आवेदन दायर किया, होर्डिंग लगाने का शुल्क जमा किया और पुलिस को अग्रिम सूचना दी थी। उन्होंने आरोप लगाया कि स्थानीय अधिकारियों ने संभवतः कुछ उच्चाधिकारियों के निर्देश पर अनुमति रोकी। इसके बाद संगठन ने अदालत का दरवाजा खटखटाया। अदालत में संगठन ने 2 नवंबर को रूट मार्च आयोजित करने पर सहमति जताई। वकील ने बताया कि आज कुछ अन्य संगठनों ने भी विरोध प्रदर्शन की अनुमति मांगी थी, इसलिए संभावित टकराव से बचने के लिए उन्होंने नई तिथि पर सहमति दी। अदालत ने स्थानीय अधिकारियों को निर्देश दिया है कि 2 नवंबर को मार्च की रूपरेखा तैयार कर 24 अक्टूबर तक अदालत को सूचित किया जाए, जब इस मामले की अगली सुनवाई होगी।
We had a hearing on constitution of the special bench, as we had filed a writ petition yesterday night, and it was accepted and registered. We had filed an application, our organization had filed an application for holding a Patsanchalan in Jitapur on 13/10 itself. That application was kept pending. We were not informed whether it is allowed or rejected. So then we had also given the necessary fees for putting up hoardings to the concerned municipality. We had informed the police. Under the Police Act, there is no specific provision for seeking any permission as such. We have to keep inform them about conducting of such a procession, etc. And it is for them to monitor the things and to ensure that there is no public nuisance or by conducting such procession. So we being the law-abiding organization in the entire country, we are organizing this on the eve of the organization having completed 100 years, successful 100 years of its centenary. So this was for some reason it was withheld by the local authorities at the behest of some higher-ups probably. So then we had no other alternative but to approach the court seeking permission to ask them to direct them to act upon our application. Yesterday night, after filing the writ petition, yesterday night we received a communication at 12:25, around 12:25 a.m. Stating that our application has been rejected. So that immediately today night itself we prepared an amendment application seeking certiorari of the said order. Today morning it came up for hearing, and after hearing at length, the court put a question as to whether any alternative day can be suggested for holding this march. We agreed for that. So we agreed for holding the Patsanchalan 2nd November because another organization also said to have organizing some protest today. We don't want to have any sort of clashes with any organization for that matter. So we wholeheartedly accepted that, and now the authorities have been directed to act upon our application to work out the modalities as to how it has to be arranged. The Patsanchalan has to be arranged on 2nd November. So that they have to report it on 24th. The next hearing is 24th. So on 24th, this matter will come up for further hearing, and the honorable court will pass some suitable orders in the interest of the public at large, and of course the organization which is seeking permission to hold the Patsanchalan.
Hearing has been done at video conferencing.
Hearing has been done. We appeared through video conferencing from here, and our designated senior counsel Sri Arun Sham appeared from at Bangalore physically, and court sitting was held in Bangalore itself.
Who is petitioner for this conference?
Petitioner is from Ashok Patil. He is convener of the entire district.
What are the discussions?
That's we made our representation, and our contention is that though we have given a representation intimating about our organization holding the Patsanchalan, that was not acted upon or rejected. Our holdings that we had put up in the Tal that have been removed, though we have paid around 6,000 rupees to the authority concerned, municipality. Again, they have not done anything. We are informed that at the taking the assistance of the police yesterday, they have removed all the hoardings and the banners that were put. So this is what is happening in the public life. It's very unfortunate.
What are the things happening in conclusion today's?
Today's conclusion is only this much.
Okay.
The court took notice of these facts, and the court wants to evolve some reasonable way out to ensure that every organization gets this opportunity of conducting procession or sabhas, etc., without causing any inconvenience to the public. Of course, they ensure that no inconvenience is caused. It is the concern of the authorities. For that, we inform any organization which wants to conduct such a procession or other meetings, etc. They keep informed the local authority only for that purpose. If the authorities do not take any action, it gives a wrong impression to the public. It shows there, maybe some reasons, but ultimately the authorities are required to conduct themselves within the statutory powers they have to exercise. Some responsibility, then of course duty is cast upon the public as well and the organizers who wants to have this procession.
The next hearing will be
on 24th, sir. At 2:30 p.m. it will be taken there. Further hearing there, and the court will pass some orders depending on the circumstances as it comes out from the report of the district administration.
आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।